Hey guys, here's a quick tool tip, and this is really helpful if you're setting tile. What do you do if the tile cannot sit flat on the shower wall? Let's say, for example, you've got some type of sealant on the wall, like weedy joint sealant, or you're putting in a Schluter shower and the band sticks out a little bit proud from the wall and prevents this tile from sitting flush. What can you do? One of the biggest solutions is to grind down the back of the tile, and we've got a great tool for that. This is the Montolit STL Diamond Wheel. It comes in two different grits. This is the medium grit, and there's also a fine grit. As you can see, we've used this and lent it out to some of our buddies who've tested it. What you need to do is pair the STL with an angle grinder, and you need to take off both flanges, both the threaded flange and the support flange. And then you just thread the STL onto the 5/8 inch arbor. It should go on the entire way, it should be tight, and you should also use a wheel guard for protection. First things first, get the angle grinder up to full speed. That way the STL can do its maximum effort. And then you just plunge the diamond blade down into the back of the tile. You don't have to do much work, you just have to move the angle grinder and STL back and forth to grind down the back of a ceramic or porcelain tile. As you can see, in a matter of a few seconds, it's easy to chew through this tile, and this little tip comes in handy for setting tile in showers or on floors. And also guys, whenever you're doing this, it goes without saying, but you should be wearing a good respirator, silica dust respirator, hearing protection, and eye protection. Turned out to be a beautiful day in Pittsburgh. So the thing is, if you need to cut down the back of a porcelain or ceramic tile, these STL Diamond Wheels are perfect for that. If you need help finding these, I'll put a link to them down in the description here on YouTube, or you can just ask us in the comments. Again, they come in a medium grit and a fine grit. This is the medium grit, and they definitely solve a big problem. They can also cut through tile, so they're meant to cut straight through tile, and we did that in a prior tutorial, so you can check it out right here if you want to. So that's it for today. Hopefully you like this quick tool tip. Be happy to answer your questions in the comments. Hope you have a good one.